So, 10043 Northeast Campaign. This place is enormous. If you guys checked out our story or you saw the listing already, it is $24.95 a month and it is nearly 3,600 square feet. And this place is super unique. So, let's jump in and take a look here. When you come into the entryway, nice big arched doorways. You can already see up the staircase and see all the way out the back door there, which is super cool. Nice vision of the house. And right off to the right here is this little office space. We've got a little bay window here with a little window seat. You can see out in the front yard. It's very beautiful. Lots of natural light in this room. That is southern exposure. So you're getting a ton of light coming in. Got a little fireplace. The furniture that you guys are seeing is going to be removed by the end of, I think, next week by the owners. They're still working on moving some stuff out. But there's a ton of space in this place, as you will see. So we continue through. Before we go upstairs, I'm going to take you through the first two bedrooms, which are right here off to the left. So floor-to-ceiling mirrors on the closets here, and these are pretty wide. Got nice big installed shelves, tons of hanging space. This room's probably like a 10 by 10 square. And we've got southern-facing windows as well as these ones out to the west. So that is room number one. There's a bathroom between these two bedrooms here. And actually, I think the bathrooms are my favorite things about this house. This one hasn't been updated recently, but the other two that you will see are absolutely gorgeous. Got some hall closet space for whatever you may need. Second bedroom is pretty much the same as the other one. It might be a little bit bigger this way. It might be like an 11 by 10 here. Only one window in this one. We've got a slightly larger looking closet than the other. There is a light in there as well. Nice windows out to the side. You can see the AC unit out there as well. So for those hot summers, we've got AC. You don't have to worry about that. Let's head back out to the entryway. So we'll head upstairs in a second, but for now, we're going to take a look at these gorgeous rooms. We've got the kitchen right over here, but let's take a look at this giant living room first. This is huge. Huge living room. There's a side entry over there that comes in from under the carport, and that door leads to the garage. But we've got this beautiful, huge fireplace, really cool light work here, light fixtures. This is amazing. I mean, the stonework and everything is incredible. Huge mantelpiece. Nice seating space if you want to. We've got windows above it as well. Those are western facing. And then out the back is the backyard. And these doors, oh, they let in so much light. It's amazing. But we can check out the back really quick. I'll give you a view of the deck. So the deck is enormous, and it's got carpet on it right now, but it's huge. I mean, this is almost as big as the living room itself. So that's another entry into the garage there. You've got some stairs down to the backyard, and then this beautiful, huge fenced backyard that you can pretty much do whatever you want to. And there's a patio down there as well with a fire pit, obviously still recovering from snow. Yeah, let's head back inside and take a little bit more of a look at this cool place. So, we've got a dining area here. Obviously, it's still a little bit set up. Like I said before, this furniture will be out of the house pretty soon. But look at these cabinets, you guys. These are amazing. Amazing cabinets. So cool. I love this one. I love that it's like suspended and drops down a little lower and you can see through it all the way around. I think that's so cool. Here we have the kitchen. So fairly new stove, newer microwave, decently new fridge. The dishwasher's a little old, but that's okay. It's got character, matches the house. The sink does have a garbage disposal. It's a very new sink fixture. Everything looks good there. Everything works. Beautiful cabinets all the way around. Tons of space for storage and things like that. Yeah, I love this place. And as you wrap around the little peninsula here, we've got even more cabinet space. So tons of storage. The backsplash goes all the way up above the window, over by the window, and doesn't quite get all the way around it on this one, but it does get up about halfway. Okay, let's take a look upstairs. We want to see the upstairs. This is where some pretty dang cool stuff is happening. And all this hardwood has been refinished, so it's in perfect condition, ready to accommodate you however it may. So off to the left here, this is the kind of wraparound bathroom here. And like I said, well, let's take a look at the master first, because you guys are going to see why I love this place. This is the master bedroom. Yes, that's a fireplace. Tons of windows, huge room. This is like the same size as the living room downstairs. It's enormous, it's beautiful. That's the entry to that bathroom that I was just showing you. And then we've got 2 doors right here. And these go to the same place. This is the master closet, which is bigger than my room at home. So this is huge, 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 tons of storage space. I mean, this thing goes on for days. All the space you could ever need for everything that you could ever wear. It's so cool. This does have doors as well. I know I walked straight in, but they have double doors with blinds on them as well. But now if we walk through this door on the left, we've got the master bath, which is enormous. Got the Jack and Jill sinks and so much counter space between them. This is awesome. Those chairs will be out of here. Don't worry about those. This is my favorite part of the house, though. You've got a double shower head in the master shower here. It's enormous, super cool, super huge. I love it. And then through here is the kind of toilet room. And what's cool about this bathroom is it can be shared with the second bedroom up here. So we've got the closet for the second bedroom up here. There's more closet space, I believe, in here with an extra water heater. And then this is the second bedroom upstairs, which features floor-to-ceiling mirrors on 2 more closet spaces. A nice little bed nook there with windows. Just so much space. It's so big. It's ridiculous. I love it. Okay. And this wraps us right back around to the top of the stairs. So master goes through the bedroom or bathroom, into that back closet, into the secondary bedroom, and the entrances are right next to each other. Master closet's over there. So that's the upstairs. Probably the coolest thing I've seen in a long time when it comes to homes here. I love the floor plan of this place. It makes it super easy to get through everything. Let's go take a look downstairs in the basement. This is also awesome. I think you guys are going to love it. We've got tile through here. These are more closet space with mirrors all the way up and down. We've got a third bathroom downstairs, all the way downstairs. And check this out. Ready for this? Heat lamps! I was chilling under these for like 5 minutes before we started this video because it's so cold outside. But when I found those, I was just stoked. Through these awesome little saloon doors here. Got the laundry room, which is also about as big as my bedroom at home. So a lot more storage space down here. Brand new washer and dryer. They look awesome. They've still got the manuals with them. You got a sink for cleaning out things with a sink. Some more storage. Really, really cool. It seems like they did a lot of renovations on this, whoever the previous owners were. It seems like they put in some pocket closets and things. This is a cool little bonus room. Obviously, this is where the chimney or furnace or something comes up through. But this kind of just wraps around in a loop. You got a cool little extra closet here, and giant TV in the corner. And this is just the basement down here. All right. So that does it for the actual floor plan. Why don't we check out the garage and the carport really quick, and then we can take questions. If anybody has any questions while I'm doing this as well, feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to answer while we roll through it. If you want to see anything again, we can do that as well. This is the garage. Once again, there's a little bit of the owner's stuff in here left over from when they moved. They will be cleaning this out before we rent this property. Garage door right here opens out to the carport, but pretty decent sized garage. It's got really cool like workbench stuff going on. So if you're the kind of person that likes to do projects, work on things, just have space to do stuff and work on things, this is great. There's a little bit of loft space up above as well. And then this door goes out to the back deck there. And last but not least, we've got the carport entrance. So this goes out to a covered carport in front of the garage. There's that garage door. And there's a double long carport that leads out to the street, Campaign Street. And the thing I love about this neighborhood too is there's tons of trees, huge trees. It's beautiful, it feels old, it feels awesome. I love it. Tons of Portland charm. All right, so any questions? Anybody want to see anything again? It was lovely to have you guys here. It was a pleasure to show you guys this home. This place is so cool. I kind of fell in love with it the first time that I walked through it just a few minutes ago. It's amazing. I would love to see it go to somebody who would appreciate how much character this place has. So feel free to ask any questions that you have in the chat below before we end. Otherwise, feel free to direct message us if you have any questions about it. We posted the listing for this in our story. So if you want to take a look at the full listing on Appfolio, go ahead and check out our story from today. It's linked in a couple of different ones. Other than that, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys Tuesday with another live walkthrough. Have a good weekend.